In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a pop-up modal in Webflow. To get you set up quickly and reliably, we'll start by installing a trusted Webflow app that enables modal functionality, then confirm the necessary permissions so you're ready to create your pop-up. Begin by opening the demo Webflow project in your browser. Once the site loads, look for the highlighted interactive area on the page. Click into that highlighted field and type as prompted so the relevant option appears. If you see another highlighted input, repeat the action. Click into it and type again. This simply helps surface the exact resource we need. When the highlighted result appears, select it to continue. Next, click the option titled Elevate Your Webflow Projects with Advanced Functionalities, Features, and Interactive Solutions. This opens the tool that provides the features we'll use for pop-up modals and other interactive enhancements. Then choose Open Full Listing to view the app's complete details in the Webflow Apps Marketplace. Once you're on the listing, click the Description tab. Take a moment to review what the app does, especially how it helps with modals. Understanding the feature set now will make configuration smoother later. Then click the Permissions tab. This is important. Verify what access the app requests, why it needs that access, and whether it aligns with your security and workflow standards. If you manage multiple workspaces or client sites, double-check that you're in the correct one before you proceed. Now it's time to install. Click Install on-site. You may see a sequence of prompts asking you to confirm the workspace, select the specific site, and authorize requested permissions. Continue by clicking Install on-site each time you're prompted. It's normal to encounter a few confirmation steps in a row. This ensures the app connects to the exact project you intend. If a screen summarizes the permissions again, review and confirm to move forward. Should anything look unfamiliar, pause and revisit the Permissions tab before proceeding. After the final confirmation, you'll land on an authorization page. When you see Authorization Successful, you're done. If there's a button to acknowledge or close, click it to finish and return to your project. At this point, the integration is complete, and your site is ready to use the modal features provided by the app. In your next working session, you can open the tool from within Webflow to configure your pop-up content, triggers, and styling to match your design system. For now, you've successfully set the foundation for building a polished, user-friendly pop-up